camera pans across a picturesque village at sunset. Birds are flying home, and the village is bathed in a golden glow. Children are seen running towards a large, ancient tree at the village center. In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and lush fields, there stood an old, majestic tree. Every evening, as the sun began its descent, the village children would gather beneath its sprawling branches. Cut to close-up of the tree. The camera slowly zooms in on the tree's gnarled trunk and branches filled with leaves that rustle in the evening breeze. This tree wasn't just any tree. It was a place of magic and wonder, for under its protective canopy, an elderly villager named Grandpa Arlo would weave enchanting tales. Cut to Grandpa Arlo, an elderly man with a kind face, twinkling eyes, and a long white beard. He carries a worn, leather-bound book and a wooden staff. The children sit in a semicircle around him, their eyes wide with anticipation. Grandpa Arlo, settling down and opening his book. "Ah, my dear children, what story shall we journey through today? Perhaps the tale of the brave knight and the dragon, or the clever fox and the foolish crow?" Children, "The brave knight and the dragon, Grandpa Arlo!" Grandpa Arlo chuckles. "Very well, let us begin." Cut to animated sequence illustrating the story as Grandpa Arlo narrates. Grandpa Arlo's stories were more than just words. They painted vivid pictures in the minds of the young listeners, transporting them to far-off lands and ancient times. His voice, deep and melodious, brought every character to life. Grandpa Arlo's voice echoes as the camera shows animated scenes of knights, dragons, and enchanted forests.